The news came out this morning. Walmart announced to expect lower profits for 2025. It's hit the stock as of Thursday morning, February 20th, and we are approaching trend support. So I don't see Walmart falling apart and continuing south as we move into the second quarter unless it violates this longer-term one-year channel bottom. This is a weekly chart. It goes really back to the December 23 low, and then we turned higher from there. So it's about a year and a couple of months, a 14-month channel structure at 90.88. Preceding 90.88, you've got 94.68. Now, this is just for this week. That is for the week of Tuesday, February 18th, because Monday was actually President's Day. So for this week, 94.68 is actually near-term support. May well contain selling through next week, and from here we can round back up to just a simple trend line at 106.18. All of this is rising on a weekly basis. I'm not giving you the projections as we move into March, April in terms of where these line studies will be, but for right now, assuring you, at least from my perspective, that as long as we hold above the 90.88 channel bottom, and yes, if you see that in the yellow box, 90.88, next week it's at 91.76 for the week of February 24th, and for the week of March 3rd, it's 92.64. So I am giving you those projections. If 90.88, 91.76 next week, and in 2 weeks, it will be once again 92.64. This is our base of support through March, and from here we can round back up again to new highs. Bull trend remains intact over the last 14 months above 90.88. And yes, if we close below this channel bottom, I would suggest exiting Walmart as a long position. If your time horizon is 2 to 3 months out and beyond, I think we could continue eroding in value as we move through the second quarter. But if you're looking for an area to buy Walmart, it really begins at 94.68 with your base at 90.88, both of which are rising on a weekly basis. From here, we can quite easily, over the next 2 to 3, 3 to 5 weeks, push on to new highs, test this trend line of 107.06 next week, and the following week is 107.94. So I'm giving you kind of your parameters for the next few weeks. If we close above this trend line, 106.18 this week, 107.06 next week, then we have this continued vertical move. And yes, it has been a vertical move. If you put this in the proper XY axis, you can see what a vertical move it has been.
More analysis on wickedstocks.com, including daily trade plans on SPY and QQQ, in-depth analysis on top stocks, and 2 new stock picks every week. Take your trading to the next level with Wicked Stocks.